This video is to help walk you through steps 1 through 4 for what we should be doing prior to our digital open house. First, you'll need to go to your classroom dashboard and either create an advisory class or utilize the one that Little Sis has put in there. Once created, you move on to step 2, which is to create a Meet link. The Meet link is very simple. You just click on Generate Meet Link in the banner under the Stream tab and click Generate Meet Link and save. Once this is complete, you will highlight and copy the Meet link and place it in the email draft to students that will go out on Wednesday. Once this is complete, you need to then make a copy of the digital open house slide deck that Mr. Hatfield will be sharing with you this week. To do so, simply hit File, make a copy of the entire presentation. Feel free to rename it with your last name. Be sure to select the correct location in the drive that you'd like to have, and then hit OK. Once done, your copy will be made. After you make a copy, be sure to change the sharing settings using the Share button, and then changing it from restricted to anyone with the link will be able to view the document, then click Done.